Good morning to all my students. Today I start with a new topic IPR, Intellectual Property Rights. Introduction to Intellectual Property Rights. So, here we are. What is an intellectual property rights? Intellectual property is basically the product of human intellect. The product of human intellect, which includes creativity concepts, concept of inventions, industrial models, trademarks, songs, literature, symbols, names and brands, etc. मीन्स इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी में प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन इंटेलेक्ट आता है जिसमें कि क्रिएटिविटी कॉन्सेप्ट्स, इन्वेंशन का कॉन्सेप्ट, इंडस्ट्रियल मॉडल्स का कॉन्सेप्ट्स, ट्रेडमार्क्स, चाहे वो सॉन्ग हो, चाहे लिटरेचर रिव्यू हो, चाहे सिंबल्स हो, चाहे नेम्स हो, चाहे ब्रांड्स हो, these are all includes in intellectual property. The intellectual property rights IPR it further allow their owners to completely benefit from his or her product, which was initially an idea that developed and crystallized. मीन्स IPR राइट्स क्या अलाउ करता है? इट अलाउज द ऑनर of the song, the honor of the literature, the honor of the symbols, names and brands. The owner itself completely benefits from his product, from an idea that he has developed. ये होता है इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स का बेनिफिट। आगे और चलें, कारवां आगे बढ़ता रहा और हमने देखा कि दिस राइट्स प्रिवेंट्स अदर्स फ्रॉम यूजिंग, डीलिंग और टैम्परिंग विथ हिज प्रोडक्ट विदाउट प्रायर परमिशन फ्रॉम हिम। मीन्स इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी के कारण एक बचाव होता है, एक प्रोटेक्शन होता है। इट प्रिवेंट्स अदर्स फ्रॉम यूजिंग, जब तक ऑनर खुद अपनी से परमिशन नहीं देता है, ही नाइदर until and unless he grants permissions to use, to apply his or her name, his or her symbols or literatures, trademarks or songs or inventions or creativity concepts, until and unless the owner itself grants permissions to others. So these are all the rights are prevented others from using, dealing or tampering with his product without grant of permissions. In fact, legally sue them and force them to stop and give compensate for any damages happen. So these are all the introduction part of intellectual property rights. When we move towards the protection of intellectual property rights, the protection of IPR allows the innovators, the brand owners, patent holders and copyright holders to benefit from his or her work, labor and investment, which does not mean monopoly of the intellect. IPR rights are set out in the International Declaration of Human Rights, which provides for the right to benefit from the protection of the moral and physical interest resulting from the right holder's work. Means production of IPR allows the innovators, the brand owners, the patent holders, the copyright holders to benefit from his or her work. It also allows the rights to set out in the International Declaration of Human Rights, which provides basically objectives to provide the right to benefit from the protection of the moral and physical interest. When we talk about forgery and counterfeiting, here we are. Counterfeiting a trademark means making a brand similar in total to the original one. काउंटरफिटिंग का मतलब होता है किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को जो आप बनाने वाले हो, जिसके आप ऑनर नहीं हो, और आपको वो प्रोडक्ट ओरिजिनल प्रोडक्ट जैसा बनाना है. You have to make a product similar to the original one in a manner that might mislead the public in connection with the source of goods that are marked by the brand in question. This is about counterfeiting. Now we move towards the forgery of a trademark. Forgery of a trademark means a complete transfer being identical from the unique brand, transferring the main parts thereof, making the forged brand greatly identical to the original one. This is about forgery and counterfeiting. Now comes, what does the intellectual property really refers to? So, when we talk about the intellectual property reference, it refers to the creations of mind, it refers to the inventions, it refers to the literature work, artistic works, it refers to the symbols, it refers to the names, it refers to pictures, it refers to the models and industrial design. So these are all the intellectual property reference. Intellectual property refers to the creations of mind, creations of inventions, literary and artistic works, symbols, names, pictures, models, and industrial designs. Types of intellectual property rights. IPR is divided into two categories: industrial property rights and copyright. Industrial property rights, which includes inventions, patent inventions, trademarks, industrial designs and models, and geographic indications of source. Industrial property includes patent inventions, trademarks, industrial design, models, and geographic indications of different sources. Copyright includes literature, artistic works, novels, poems, plays, films, musicals, cartoons, paintings, photographs, statues, and architectural designs. Copyright includes literature and artistic work such as novel, poem, play dramatic roles, films, music, cartoons, paintings, photographs, statues, and architectural designs. Right is a term in copyright law used to include the rights of performers in performance, the rights of producers of phonograms in the recordings, and the rights of broadcasting organizations in the radio and television programs. Means related right is a copyright laws जिसका इम्पोर्टेंस होता है टू एक्ट इज द राइट ऑफ परफॉर्मर्स इन परफॉर्मेंस to act as a producers of phonograms in their recordings and the rights of broadcasting organizations in the radio and television programs. Trademark is a sign that individualizes the goods or services of a given enterprise and distinguishes them from those of competitors. To fall under law protection, a trademark must be distinctive and not deceptive, illegal, or immoral. Trademark is basically indicates as a sign, as a symbol that individualizes the goods and services of a given enterprises, or basically it distinguishes from competitors. A trademark must be in a distinctive nature, should not be in a deceptive form, illegal or immoral forms. So this is about trademarks. Here we are with a patent. Patent आप लोग जानते होंगे, it's an exclusive right granted by law, exclusive right granted by law to an inventor or assignee to prevent others from commercially benefiting from his or her patented inventions without permissions for a limited period of time in exchange for detailed public disclosure of patented inventions. पेटेंट बेसिकली क्या होता है? एक्सक्लूसिव राइट्स होता है. पेटेंट इज एन एक्सक्लूसिव राइट्स granted by law to an inventor or assignee to prevent others from commercially benefiting from his patented inventions without permissions for a limited period of time in exchange for detailed public disclosure of patented inventions. बात करें ट्रेडमार्क की, तो ट्रेड नेम और बिजनेस नेम इज ए नेम दैट यूनिकली डिस्टिंग्विशेस ए बिजनेस फ्रॉम अदर्स. यूनिक नेम और ट्रेड नेम और बिजनेस नेम एक प्रकार का नाम होता है दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स यूनिक, दैट डिस्टिंग्विशेस यूनिक बिजनेस फ्रॉम अदर्स. ट्रेड सीक्रेट is any information of a commercial value concerns the production or sales operations which is not generally known. The owner of a trade secret must take reasonable measures to maintain its confidentiality. It's a trade secret. Here comes we are with unfair competition. Unfair मतलब आप जानते हो, जो चीज़ फेयर नहीं होती है, जो चीज़ नियम के अगेंस्ट होती है. तो अनफेयर कंपटीशन इज एन एक्ट ऑफ contrary to honest practices in industrial or commercial matters. जब हम contrary to honest practices in industry as well as in discussions and suggestions in commercial matters, these are all unfair competitions. So here we are with a copyright is a form of IPR concerned with protecting works of human intellectual rights. मीन्स कॉपीराइट एक प्रकार का IPR कंसर्न होता है विच प्रोटेक्ट्स वर्क्स ऑफ ह्यूमन इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टीज. बेसिक डोमेन ऑफ कॉपीराइट इज लिटरेचर एंड आर्टिस्टिक वर्क्स which includes writing of poems, novels, music, fine arts, paintings and sculptures. आगे बात करें रिलेटेड राइट्स की, तो रिलेटेड राइट्स और नेबरिंग राइट्स रिप्रेजेंट्स रेस्पेक्ट्स रिसेंबल्स कॉपीराइट. द पर्पस ऑफ रिलेटेड राइट is to protect the legal interest of certain individuals, namely performers, producers, broadcasters, and to help them deliver their messages to the public. Related rights का मतलब है related rights. The purpose of related rights is to protect the legal interest of certain individuals. Legal interest में क्या आ सकता है? जो परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं, जो प्रोड्यूस करने वाले हैं, जो ब्रॉडकास्ट करने वाले हैं, and to help each and every to deliver their messages to the students, to the public. So this is about the related rights. Why countries care for IPR, intellectual property rights? Why countries care for? क्यों country IPR के लिए care करती है and seeks to promote and protect it? Because new innovations in all IPR domains leads to human progress and advancement. New innovations, legal protections of new innovations which encourages safe, caring for and protecting IPR which contributes to achieve economic and social development. Leads to human progress and advancement. To encourage safe spending on other innovations. To achieve economic and social development. Caring and protecting IPR. So this is about countries care for IPR and seek to promote and protect it. Forgery and counterfeiting techniques. Techniques of counterfeiting and fraudulence are variant depending on the nature and type of the product. Perpetrators, techniques, and tools and facilities in place. So here we are with the techniques of counterfeiting and fraudulence are diverse, which aims at seemingly copying an original product. Oh, where we are, here we are with the technology which has a big role in making counterfeit products greatly similar to original ones, making it harder to distinguish between them according to the formula. Using the external structure of authentic equipments and replacing certain internal parts with counterfeit pieces, affixing adhesive tapes onto external parts of the equipment to prevent anyone from opening it and detecting the counterfeit parts therein. To affix adhesive tapes onto external parts of the equipment to prevent anyone from opening it and detect the counterfeit parts. So these are all about on using the external structure of authentic equipment and replacing certain internal parts with counterfeit pieces. So these are all about the forgery and counterfeiting techniques. When we affix adhesive tapes, it further misleads and deceives the consumers. Copying containers or packaging of original products, copying containers or packaging of original products and placing counterfeit products inside. Counterfeiting the original company's brand and trade name, affixing them onto the counterfeit product, and forging the trade data. Also to collect and regenerate empty original containers as to have them filled with counterfeit products and make them repackaged using modern machines. Oh Baba, reusing spare parts by improving packaging and selling them as a new original parts. Removing the expiry date remove किया गया हो from the expired products and rewrite a new date extending the product's expiry. These are all the process regarding the forgery and counterfeiting techniques. So here we have discussed about the intellectual property rights. Hope you all have understood about the intellectual property rights IPR. With this I stop. Thank you.